Hello everybody, my name's Ihila Roberts and welcome to Beauty in the Dark. This is a bit of a hair transformation video for you because as some of you know, I had my head shaved and it has grown back and the colour of my natural hair is beautiful, but it's a little bit dull at the moment. It's winter and it's a little dull and boring, so I wanted a balayage, and I am lucky enough to have a friend who is a hairdresser who was prepared to do a balayage for me for free using box dyes as well. So that was cool. So last week she came and she dyed my hair for me. We had to do 2 applications because box dye not brilliant. I used box dye because I didn't want to do bleach. I wanted something a little bit more gentle. And this is the finished result. As you can see, it is just so gorgeous and just so beautiful and perfect, and I couldn't be happier with it. Let's see how we went from this hair colour to the one I'm currently sporting for you, and watch my wonderful friend do my hair. Now, she used foils, and I'll put a picture of the box dye up so you can see what it is we used. It was just a £5 one from Home Bargains, so £10 for both box dyes was not bad. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing my hair transformation, and I hope you like it.